Okay, let's go. Hanggang ilan kaya? Sige, ako na magbilang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, last 5, 26, last 27, 28, 29, last 1, 30. Anong naramdaman? Dapat dumbbell. Okay, lakas talaga. So, shout out sa lahat ng taga Regency Parkway dyan. Shout out sa inyong lahat. Tigas. Dumbbell? Wala man siyang dumbbell.